investment money shouldn't be used for this. When planning a new business or the growth of an existing business, one mistake I've made was mix between my investment needs and my debt needs. This subject can take a whole vlog series to discuss, but I'll give you some simple examples from my own experience to illustrate what it means and ways to possibly manage this in a good way. When I've looked at my venture's cash needs until very recently, I was looking at the full picture of how much cash was needed. This included what we would be spending on assets, our overheads, and our inventory. At the other end of the stick, I have looked at potential revenues over time and tried to reach the figure which I needed to raise as investment. Well, I can tell you that this way of looking at things was, and still is, the reason I've had massive failures. In good times, it may not have led to failures, but to very big lost opportunities. To simplify this to an extremely basic level, I have now started to look at the cash needs in different sections. 1, you invest in assets and the full basic overheads for a year, or longer depending on your industry or market. Number 2 is investment should also include your initial inventory or raw material if you're selling products, and if your inventory is likely to turn over 3 times per year, you need to put in the investment for all the 3 times. Number 3, you should never rely in your calculations on potential sales for at least the whole of the first year. In another video, I explain how late paying customers can actually kill a business that looks great on paper. Just don't rely on your customers paying on time. Now, to maximize the return on your investment, you have to look at debt. This can be overdrafts, credit cards, or loans. So, these can be divided into 2 parts. Overdrafts and credit cards should be used to fulfill sales needs, such as inventory and shipping. You know that this money is coming back somehow when it is used, and you're only using it on items that are directly generating cash. The second part is the longer-term loans, and these can be used to buy assets, such as vehicles, buildings, or furniture. This means that your investment will not all be needed at once, but spread over time. It will either mean that you can start with lower investment or free some cash for a rainy day. So to make sure that I've made this as clear as possible, investment is only for assets, full year of overheads and inventory. Short-term debt can be used for cost of sales, and long-term debt can be used for assets. I know this is by no means an exhaustive list of everything, but I would love to hear your opinion and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video useful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more videos like this with more business mistakes, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications not to miss anything. Good luck.